Hello friends, today we learn step 3 of remove 2. So we already discussed about 2 in the first step and second step, and the third step is very easy, and let's see that if the sentence is based on the structure like that, subject plus verb plus TOO2 plus adjective adverb plus 4 plus noun. So here please try to remember that today we are going to discuss about 2 after that 4 plus noun. So it is necessary to remember 4 plus noun. When 4 plus noun is used in transformation, then how we can make the right answer? Let's see that. The structure is subject plus verb, remove 2 and you use so, that is you know very well. The same thing, adjective, adverb as a conjunction. It is necessary to remove 4 and use that. Dear friends, we already discussed about step 1 and step 2 that we remove TO2. The same thing we have to follow the rules and regulation. It is necessary to remove 4 and add that. After that pronoun can, could plus not plus be plus article aa and noun. That is the structure of the sentence. Now we try to solve that sentence. He is too dull for a postman. He is too dull for a postman. So friends, postman is here noun. So you can see that after postman use FOR, 4. So here he is too dull for a postman. So we can write the answer. He is remove 2. So he is used so dull that. Okay, he is too dull. So he is so dull that. He is used here. So we can write here he. With tense is used present tense. So we can say that he cannot. Okay. Now we have option of that a postman. So it is necessary to write it down B. See that he is so dull that he cannot be a postman. So dear friends, we have to remove 4 and instead of 4 we can write B. Okay, understood? Now see the second sentence. He was too dull for a postman. Here first thing is that past tense is used. Second one, what is the keyword? For and postman, that is noun. So you have to focus on for and noun. 4 plus noun. 4 plus noun. So when in the sentence 4 plus noun comes, so when you try to make the sentence, you have to remove 4 and use B. It is very easy. Let's see. He was too dull. So he was so dull that. Subject is he. So pronoun we can write here he. Past tense. So he could not. He could not. A postman. So be a postman. Okay friends. He was so dull that he could not be a postman. Is that clear? Now, second one. She is too slow for a runner. Mind well. Please keep in mind that here TO2 is not used. For plus noun is used here. So when you try to understand removing 2 and 2, it is necessary to remember rules and regulation. Okay, so today we discuss the step 3. Step 1 is about 2, 2. Second one is about 2, 2 plus pronoun. And today 2, 4 plus noun. Okay. So she is too slow. So she is so slow that, what is the pronoun? She. Present tense, so she cannot remove 4 and use be a runner. Okay, so she is so slow that she cannot be a runner. Next one, she was too slow for a runner. Who is too slow? She was too slow for a runner. That means she was very slow that she is not able to be a runner. So she was so slow that she, so she past tense, could not be remove for be a runner. So you understood, dear friends? First of all, let's see that you have to understand about the tense, which tense is used. Suppose the present tense is used, so it is necessary to use can or will, and suppose past tense is used there, so you have to use could या would. But after could or would not is necessary, then be plus article an and noun. Here we go exercise. There are 5 sentences, so we can learn again. After that, I will give you some of the exercise in description box, and you can write the answer. And suppose at that time you have a complaint, then you can contact me and try to solve it. Okay. See, he is too innocent for a leader. He is too innocent. See that subject is he, and he is going to be a leader, but he is so innocent. That means innocent person cannot be a leader. I think so. Okay. So present tense is used here. So what is the answer? He is, first of all he, then is, remove to and use so, adjective innocent. After that, for is you remove that as a conjunction. He is so innocent that he, what I write here, can or could? Can not be a leader. Cannot be a leader. Okay. Now, second one. She was too lazy for a worker. That means she was very lazy. She was very lazy, so that she cannot be a worker. So she was so lazy that she could not be a worker. Okay. Seema is too proud for an ideal teacher. So, Seema is so proud that Seema. So, which pronoun we can use here? She. Which tense is used? Simple present tense. So, cannot. She cannot be an ideal teacher. Okay. Now next, Sachin was too old for a captain. So first of all, what is subject here? Sachin. So write Sachin. To be was. So was, removing to and use so, old, remove for, right here is a conjunction that. So Sachin was so old that. So Sachin, so which pronoun? He. Past tense, so could not. For a captain, so be a captain. Okay, Sachin was so old that he could not be a captain. Now last one, Mohan is too for a player. So I think we forgot the adjective. So we can write here, Mohan is too old for a player. Suppose we use here adjective old. Sorry, I forgot the adjective. So Mohan is so old that he cannot be a player. Okay. So when you try to make the sentence, it is necessary to remember the structure of the topic. Okay. I hope you understood the topic and you can take the screenshot here and don't forget to write it down in your notebook. Okay. After that, we try to discuss step number 4. Hello friends. So this is the last step of 2-2. So please try to remember it. If the sentence is based on the structure like that, subject plus verb plus to plus adjective या adverb. Now in the first step 1, we learn that it is added the to. After that, in the second step, pronoun, and in the third step, noun, and in the fourth and last topic, I remove to plus pronoun plus noun. Okay, so this is the structure of transformation: subject, verb, remove to and use adverb or adjective, then. So here it is necessary to use comparative degree. Okay, after that subject, that means pronoun. If the adverb is used, so we can use here should be, and suppose adjective that, so we use should. Suppose you are confused between either should be or should, so the simple way that you can use, it is proper, yeah, it was proper. Now see that these are the simple notes. There are 5 notes and these are the example. So we try to go one by one, step by step of the sentence. The first is Mukesh runs too slowly. Too slowly. So slowly is adverb, and Rima was too weak. So weak is adjective. Weak is adjective. So I try to show you two type of sentence. The first one is about adverb and second one is about adjective. Now write the answer. First of all, subject Mukesh. So Mukesh. See the step 1. Use the used subject verb. Means subject and verb is already given, so it is not necessary to change this. Okay. So Mukesh runs. So Mukesh runs. After that, removing adverb 2. Mukesh runs. Mukesh runs. Remove 2. Now we have slowly. So slowly and try to make comparative degree. Slowly. तो slow का क्या होगा? Slower या more slow? There are two pronouns here. Two words. Slow. So we write er after slow. So Mukesh runs slower than. Okay. So I use here comparative degree of adverb slowly, slower than. After that, write the word then. We already write here then. Don't write that. So here, forget about the that. Then subject plus should be. So what is subject? Mukesh. So he. Adverb is used here. So should be. Should be. When adverb comes, it is compulsory to write be. Suppose you are confused about should or should be, then we have another option. The same thing. Mukesh runs slower than. Second thing, it, simple present tense is used here. So it is proper. We can write the answer in both the way. Whatever you like, you can write in the exam. Both the answers are right. Okay. Now second one. Rima was too weak. Now in the second sentence, weak is given here. So weak is adjective. So what is the comparative of weak? Weak, weaker, weakest. Okay. So Rima was, remove 2, weak, so weaker than Rima. So she should. Don't write be because adjective is given here. Suppose adverb is given here, at that time you write should be, and about adjective you write should. Suppose you are confused about should or should be, we have another option. Rima was weaker than it was proper. Okay. Why I use here was? Because the sentence is about past tense. That is why. You can see that it is here used is. Why? Because it is simple present tense. So understood, dear friends? Now I have the sentence. So I know very well that you can write the answer using it is proper, yeah, it was proper, but I will try to show you only about the should be or should, so that you can try to remember when we use should and when we use should be. Okay. So first of all, look at the sentence. It is too hot. Is, that means present tense, hot. So what is the comparative degree of hot? Hotter. And it is adjective, adverb, adjective. Okay, so answer is it is remove to hot, hotter than, the subject is it, so it should, it is hotter than it should, because the adjective is here. Yeah, it is hotter than it is proper. Okay, next, the water was too cold, was too cold. So the water was removed to, use comparative degree of cold, so colder than, what is subject? Water, so it should. Yeah, you can write, say that past tense is used here, so it was proper. Okay. Now third one, he is too ignorant. So he is ignorant. The pronouns, the words, I think there are more than 3 words. Ignorant. So we use here more. So he is more ignorant than, what is subject here? He. So write he should. Okay, yeah, right, it is proper. He should, yeah, it is proper. Now second one, Roshan is too slow. So Roshan is slower than he should. Yeah, it is proper. So I humble request to all of you, suppose you do not understand, then it is very easy to use it is proper or it was proper. Okay, after all, I want to get right answer in the examination. So you can take the screenshot and mind well, please write it down in your notebook. Okay, so that you have a keywords. So we finish here 2. So there are 4 kind of steps of 2. You can take screenshot.